Hi. After watching the video, click the link in the description to download the program.
Hey, real quick question. How'd you like to make money from selling videos you create with VidVamp? I'm talking about charging clients $250 to $500 per minute of video you make. And you can keep 100% of the profits. Hi, I'm Robert Robinson, and you can make these videos for your clients, or you can make it your business to create and sell videos. And hey, how about this? You don't even need to make those videos by yourself. I'll show you how you can become a middleman, outsource the entire process, and sell the videos you create with VidVamp for top dollars online and offline. With an agency license, which you can get on this page, you can become a professional sales video expert and generate professional grade sales videos in high definition in a few simple steps. And although the standard license gives you the ability to create 720 HD videos, 720p HD videos, we understand that professional agencies need sales videos that are studio and even TV broadcast quality. And with this agency license, you can generate and present your revamped videos to online businesses and local clients in 1080p and 4K ultra high definition. And you can do it without any expensive software or technical skills. We are there. 1080p and 4K ultra high definition quality brings your revamped videos to life and excites your audience so you can get more results for yourself and your clients. Wait till you see how happy you are and clients will be. And also, hey, while the standard license, with that, you can create jaw-dropping revamped videos. Top paying agency clients may require more customizations though, however, for videos than the standard version allows. So the agency version adds advanced customization mode, which allows you to edit the size and position of both main videos and the overlay video. And by choosing playback on just part of the screen, you can seamlessly blend overlay transparent videos into your main video or blend revamped video into other video projects to achieve incredible results for yourself and your clients. Just like that, with a touch of a couple of buttons. Advanced customization mode. Remember that. Advanced customization mode also unlocks your top blur feature with dynamic in and out focus. Very effective effect. You can use it to blur a part of your video to smoothly transition from one part of the video to the other with in and out blur, or even blur the entire video to use as a web page video background. And also with an agency license, you can unlock integration, which gives you access to over 1.5 million royalty-free stock photos and video footages, so you can instantly bring your revamped videos to the next level. You'll have it all. Hey, an average video is 4.4 minutes long. So at just $250 per minute, you'd be able to charge $1,000 or more. And the best part is that with VidVamp, you'll be able to create videos with ease in multiple styles. Just one 5-minute video would take you minutes to create, and you could charge $1,000 per video. For one 5-minute video a week, you could charge $4,000 a month or $48,000 a year. You could take just a few hours a week and create 20 minutes of video, charging just $200 per minute per video. That's 20 minutes times $200 per minute. That's $4,000 a week. $4,000 a week times 52 weeks, $208,000 a year. All for a few hours of work a week. All right, Robert, how do you do it? Here's how it works in 3 easy to follow steps. Step number 1, you'd find clients that need video, and there are tons of them. And you can head to freelancer sites. You can reach out to existing clients. Or use one of your lead tools that you probably already own to find people who are interested in video. Step 2, you'll find out what type of video they want and create it. And the best part of VidVamp is you're not limited to just one style of video. After you figure out your client's needs, you'll just need to create a video, and that takes just minutes. And lastly, but not least, step 3, collect your money. Once you found a client and made the video, all you need to do is collect the money. So if you're still watching this video, that means you're ready to follow these 3 simple steps to start your journey to charging $200 per minute of video or more. You can sell any video you create with VidVamp, and you can use them for your clients. You'll keep 100% of the money you collect. And that's why I'm so incredibly excited today to offer you instant access to VidVamp agency license. And that means you'll have the full license to use VidVamp however you want. Hey, you can sell the videos, you can be a freelancer and find clients, and you can use them for your clients as well. And you can let your team or employees create videos as they need for any project they are working for. And you keep 100% of the profits. All it requires is a single, one-time investment to upgrade your license to the VidVamp agency license. And as experienced entrepreneurs, we do understand the need for outsourcing. Regular license allows you to install VidVamp on one computer, which is fine if that's all you need. But we also know that agency clients may want to outsource the entire video creation process, or even have the team involved in the process, and we want to give you the ultimate flexibility to work less and earn more. So, as a part of this agency license, you'll get access to our most requested multi-user license feature, which gives you 4 more VidVamp licenses. And it allows you to have your team or virtual workers involved in the video creation process. And it means that with an agency license, you can become a middleman, outsource the entire process, and sell videos you create with VidVamp for top dollars, online and offline. This single multi-user license feature can increase your profits many times over because you can churn out more videos for clients in a shorter amount of time. And this is just truly a tremendous deal. And we're giving away an agency license for such a low price because we want to keep providing you with a superior service so you can sit back, relax, and enjoy the profits that you generate. Click the button below right now to reserve your spot and become an agency license owner. And due to the astonishing value of what we are offering, this special, one-time sensitive early adopter price may be removed at any time without a notice. And this might be your only chance to become an agency license holder. Once you leave this page, we can no longer guarantee this one-time early adopter special price. In fact, I wouldn't be surprised if the price doubles or even triples if you see this page again later. Hey, remember you are covered by our money-back guarantee, so you have no risk and you can change your mind later. So go ahead, click the upgrade button below. Let's get your license upgraded and get you on the way to charging up to $500 per minute of video you make, or more. And I just can't wait to see how much profit you generate. I'll see you on the other side.
Click the link in the description to download the program.